What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use the LED keyboard on your POCO F6. So first of all open Play Store. Now in the Play Store go to the search bar and search for LED keyboard. Now here in LED keyboard install this LED keyboard app and then tap on open, and after that if the app requires some permissions then allow the permissions. So first tap on this arrow and then tap on continue on the top right corner and then allow the permissions and then tap on this add button. Now here tap on activate LED keyboard. Now tap on step 1 and from here activate the keyboard, and then from the pop-up tap on OK and then again tap on OK and then tap on step 2 and from here select the LED keyboard and then tap on OK, and after that the keyboard will be changed. Now you can use the LED keyboard. So that's how you can use LED keyboard on your POCO F6. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.